Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I will be sharing with you this ornamental design and also a little review of the gold gel polish which I have used in creating this design. So if you are interested, keep watching. So guys, this is the Vicovi metal gel which I have used in creating this design, and it is quite thick in consistency and you need to mix it quite well in the jar before you can use it. Since it is quite thick in consistency, it could be a little tricky to work with. So what I do is I just add a little bit of clear top coat with the gel, and then after mixing it nicely, I will bring it to my desired consistency, and then it's quite easy to work with. So once I mixed gel paint with the top coat, I'm just testing with my brush, and I think the consistency is perfect for the design. So now let's make the design. So for the base, I'm using a shade number 617 from Kani Gel Paints, and it is a beautiful royal blue color. And I have also applied a matte top coat over it. And to create this center marble piece, I am going to use some white gel paint. So guys, I'm starting here with the marble stone first, and for this I'm going to make the base with the white gel paint or gel polish, whatever you like. And once I finish making the base, I will paint the marble with the help of blue polish and some clear top coat. So guys, once you're happy with your marble design, you can cure the gel. And also I have used some flakies here to give a little shiny effect. This is completely optional. If you have some iridescent flakies, then you can use it. And once you put the flakies, apply top coat just over the stone so that it becomes shiny. So once I apply top coat, I will cure this nail and my marble stone is ready, and then we will move to our next step. And guys, I'm using this detailing brush to create my design. All the items I'm using in this tutorial will be linked in the description box below, so you can check it later. And here I would like to give you a little tip that before you start your design, always load your brush very nicely with the paint so that your design comes out very smoothly. Also, this gel paint is very pigmented, so you won't face any kind of issue regarding pigmentation. You can just work smoothly if you have right consistency, and which you can adjust by adding clear gel or clear top coat as per your desire. So guys, you can just keep watching this video till the end and see how I created the whole design. And if you liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like this video. And also guys, I post new designs almost every day on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So enjoy this video and I will see you at the end. So guys, this is the finished result, and I did not apply any kind of top coat because I have already added no wipe top coat to my gel paint before, if you remember. So I didn't apply any kind of top coat, and this helped to make kind of a matte and glossy effect here. So these are the finished designs, and I really loved this design. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a great day. Bye bye.